Hey everyone, I'm Saloni, Health and Wellness Coach. Today let's decode something fascinating, the gut-brain yoga connection. You have heard, trust your gut, right? Well, science backs it up. Your gut and brain are in constant communication through vagus nerve. Well, it's like WhatsApp just for your body. When your gut is off, think bloating, indigestion or irregular meals. It directly affects your mood, focus and even sleep. Now where does yoga come in? Simple yoga poses such as forward folds, wind relieving poses and twisting asanas can stimulate digestion. It helps to improve the blood flow to the abdominal organs and calm the nervous system. And it doesn't end here. Simple deep breathing exercises, what we call pranayama, such as Nadi Shodhana or Anulom Vilom can help activate the parasympathetic nervous system. That's your body's chill mode. It tells your brain, hey, I can rest, I am safe and I can digest. Even 10 minutes of daily mindful movement can help you reduce stress hormone, lower inflammation and improve gut motility. So next time when your mind feels foggy or anxious, don't just look outward. Check in with your gut and roll out your mat. Remember, wellness isn't just what you eat, it's how you move, breathe and live. Try adding yoga to your daily gut routine and watch the transformation begin. Like, share and subscribe to the Beyond Lifestyle and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss any update.